What y'all guys think? Hate it or love it? Hate it or love it? Of course, these are not going to OG Wees. That should be self-explanatory. But if not, they're not. Therefore, a old project, but new to the channel. It's my F-150, my daily driver. Yeah, so I'm going to do a review for y'all on these wheels. So, one thing I do not like, that I have to point out from the start, if it focus, as you can probably tell it, but I don't like this 24-inch. I think it's kind of corny. But I do like the writing on the wheel. I do like that. When I was choosing wheels, I wanted to go either 28, 30s, or off-road wheel. And as you can tell, I went with the off-road look. Now, the problem with my truck, and this is important to people that just got the truck leveled or think about leveling, if you level your truck or have like a 2.5 or 3 inch lift, you're very limited in off-road what you can do. So especially I wanted to go at least 24, nothing smaller. I currently have 20s, so I wanted to go at least 24. So this is a 24 by 10. Most off-road wheels are going to be 24 by 12, 24 by 14. But with the 24 by 10, I can put a mud tire on here and it should be fine and hopefully not scrub. That's the plan. I think I have like a 2.5 lift or something like that on my truck. So yeah, so this is the wheel. My next video, I will be showing y'all what my truck looks like, do a review on my truck. But just a quick video, wanted to show y'all. It doesn't have a lip, but I wasn't really worried about that. But I wanted a black and milled look for my truck and something I could go with a mud tire, 33 inch or 35s. I'm not sure yet which way I'm gonna go. But with the thinner wheel, you can go with a mud tire. And I wasn't trying to go with an off-road wheel with a street tire. So if you're interested, it's the XM 351. I think they're on back order at Custom Offsets. But if you go online, you can find them. That's what I did. I went online to search and got them. These are brand new. So yeah, for my guys with the level truck or the little lifts, this is a perfect wheel if you want to go off-road, because there are not a lot of 24 by 10s because I couldn't find anything. It was either this or I think a 24 by 11 fuel runner, which I really wasn't a fan of. And my idea was to go with a TIS, I think 544 black and milled, but it was only 24 by 12 I could get. So, and I wasn't gonna go to a 22 inch. So I chose this. Looks good so far. We'll see what it looks like on the truck. But yeah, this is a short video. I appreciate everybody for checking out the channel, and just let me know what you think about the wheel. I will catch y'all on the next one.